informed me we forgot to record the class. Sorry, somebody asked.
Yes, sir.
So what is this y and y, sir? Y and y and y.
Okay, Nivisha. 1 minute. X is the wife of Y, and okay, I think
Sir, I think and Y was
this is extra. X is the wife of Y, and Y is the brother of Z. Okay. Here the question is, how is P related to X?
Sir, data inadequate.
Why? What information is required?
No, sir.
Gender?
P is the sir. Can you okay? It's for me only. Yeah. Sir, there
Sir, it
should
is
be.
Sir, answer B. Aunt. Sir, option B, sir, aunt.
And data inadequate. Okay. Anybody?
Data inadequate, sir. Like there's no option actually.
There's no gender of
Proper option.
Okay, gender is not declared. Okay, let me verify.
Not gender not declared, but oh yeah.
That's all. That is enough. Okay. X is the wife of Y. X is the wife, means X is a female. So can you say Y's gender?
Male.
Yeah, from this statement, means if spouse relation is given, we can declare both the person's gender. But that is not possible in other two relations, parental relation or sibling relation. That is not possible. Okay, X is the wife of Y. Over. Next is Y is the brother of Z. Y is the brother of Z. Z is the male now because brother. Z is the son of P. So P.
So they're saying that Y is a brother, not Z is a brother, right? So we cannot declare from that statement.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Y is the brother of Z, not Z is the brother. Y is the brother of Z. From that statement, we cannot say Z's gender. And then Z is the son of P. From this statement, we can say Z's gender. So Z is a male. Here the question is, the data is completed. Here we don't know this information. But here the question is, how is P related to X? So if P is a male,
It's a female, right?
So we don't know actually,
okay.
but
so it should be
P related to X. P to X means
mother-in-law.
we don't.
Yes,
Here we don't know the.
but
we don't need the gender of X, but here we need to know the gender of P. If it is a male, father-in-law. If it is a female, mother-in-law. How it will be father-in-law? Husband's father. Husband's father is father-in-law. Husband's mother is mother-in-law. Because we don't know that, that's why data insufficient, data inadequate. Very good, correct.
Sir, so actual answer is mother-in-law, sir?
Actual answer is either father-in-law or mother-in-law.
Yes, sir.
We cannot decide that answer, that's why data is not sufficient. That is our problem actually here.
Yes,
Sufficient
sir.
data is not given.
Yes, sir.
Next question. In a family of 5, P is the father of R and something is given. And finally, the question is, therefore, if U has P as brother, then the relationship between Q and P is dash. You need to decide the relation between Q and P. Sorry, Q and U.
Sir, it's option C.
C, okay.
Sir, option C, sir.
Okay.
Accused. Okay.
Same answer, all of you?
Yes, sir. Q is sister-in-law or U is
option
brother-in-law.
C, sir.
Okay. Then in a family of 5, P is the father of R, P is a male and is the father of R. And S is the son of, sorry, S is Q's son. S has R as sister. So R is the sister of S. R is the sister of S means for both of these persons, P is a parent. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But from the previous statement, S is Q's son. So now S is a male, means S is already son of P, but he should be the son of Q as well. How it is possible?
So Q is the wife of P.
Yeah, if Q is the wife of P, then it will be possible. Okay, then. Therefore, if U has P as a brother, means U's brother is P, then which of the following will be correct? Okay. Here in this statement or in this data, one thing is not declared. What is the thing?
Gender of U.
U's gender is not declared. Okay. Q is U's daughter. No.
No, sir.
U is Q's wife. No.
No, sir.
Q is the sister-in-law of U. Q is a female. That's why we can say the relation. And U's brother's wife. U's brother's wife is U's sister-in-law. Q is the sister-in-law of U. Yes, correct. And it is this statement is independent of U's gender. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's why we can say perfectly option C. Then we'll check this one also. Q is U's brother-in-law. How it will be possible? Because Q is a female, it is not possible. He cannot be brother-in-law. Yeah, very good. Yeah, try to answer this. Okay, before information is examine the following relationship among 6 persons A, B, C, D, F. Okay, these are the options. Here the question is, which of the following inferences can be drawn? Inference nothing but a short conclusion. Which one will be correct?
So 1 minute.
Carry on.
So once can you show the starting of the question, sir?
Nothing is there. There are 6 persons A to F. A, B, C, D, F.
Yes, okay.
Everyone try to
Sir,
solve this.
sorry. B.
It's B.
Sir, B.
B, sir.
Sir, B.
Which one?
A is the husband of D.
Yes, sir. It's B.
Okay. Okay, very
Sir,
good.
not option A is the husband of D. I mean like option B. Also, sir, they gave fifth question is the main thing here.
5th point.
Yeah, I mean fifth point. Yeah.
Okay. Shall we do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are number of males and females is equal. Equal number of males and females means there are 6 persons. Equal means 3 males,
3 females.
3 female. Okay. Second statement. A and E are sons of F. So A is a male or female?
Male.
So
And E is
male,
also
sir.
Male.
male. And these 2 are sons of?
F.
Can you say F's gender from this statement?
No, sir. We cannot declare.
No, sir.
Then D is the mother of 2, 1 boy and 1 girl. So D is a mother, means D is a female and is the mother of two persons, 1 male and 1 female. We don't know who they are. from this statement. Next statement is B is the son of A. Okay, B is already son of F, but how can be B is the son of A?
Sir, he's not the son
Sir,
of
then-
Sorry,
F,
sorry,
sir.
sorry. Okay, sorry. B is the son of A. Okay. A is the father, then B will be the son. Yes or no? I'm just appended B for the previous diagram. Now, where it is suitable, we have to verify that. And one more statement is there. There is only one married couple in the family. Where we can place this one? We cannot make D as the wife of F because
Yes, sir.
Because D is a
Because there is only one married couple.
yeah, D has one male, one female, but there are already two males.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
next.
Yeah, for F.
We cannot
Sir, only
make
possible
D.
one is
Yeah, one second.
Okay,
We cannot
sorry.
make D is the wife of E. Why?
Because then there'll be 7 people, not
7 people will be there.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we cannot make D is the wife of B also. There will be
7 people.
8 people then.
Yes.
7 people only.
No, 7 people only. sir.
Eight
Okay,
will be.
already 4 people and 3 more people. Yeah, 7 people will be there again. So it is possible for only A.
A.
So compulsory there should be a
A.
married couple, and that married couple is A and D. And one male
Sir,
and one
one more
female
thing.
are there. B is already a male person, and B has a sibling, means sister. Who is that person? The person which is not there in this list. Who is that another person?
So it's C.
Yeah, A, B, C is not available. That's why we can take C here.
Yes.
Okay. And what about the gender of F?
So because they're all
Understand.
Yeah, using this point, we can place F's gender. There should be 3 males and 3 females. Already 3 males are over, and the remaining all the persons are females. So that's all. This is the final blood relation chart.
Sir, so like if there is no married couple, then how did F have like how are
Then
F
all
and,
will be possibilities. Whatever we have discussed, all those are the possibilities only. Okay.
No, sir, I mean like if there is only one married couple, then how are A and E and F one sort of like family?
Okay. In the given information A to F, there is one married couple. There may be some more persons. So how it will be possible means that person information is not given.
Okay, sir, understood.
Yes. Okay, then here the question is which of the following is true? A, B, C, all are females. No, sir. B is a male and A is also a male. A is the husband of D. Yes, it is perfectly correct. A is the husband of D. E and F are children of D. No, E is not the children of D. And even F is also not the children. D is the granddaughter of F. So D is the daughter-in-law of F. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then answer is option A. Very good. I didn't expect, but you solved it. Very good. Then next question. Here the question is, what minimum information from the following are necessary to find the relation between B and C? To find the relation between B and C, what minimum information we have to take? 1 or 2 or only 1 or only 2 or both or either 1 or
Sir,
2?
both. Sir, both. Sir,
So
both.
one of them, either one of them.
Okay.
Sir, I guess both.
So I think it's C.
Okay. Very good.
Sir, I think both, sir.
Option D.
Yes, sir. C, sir.
Okay, 2 persons with option C and 2 persons with option D. 2 boys with option D and 2 girls with option C.
So not option C, sir. It's D. We require both the genders.
So I think it's C.
Okay.
So because like if you know one gender, then other we cannot define, right? So it won't be like a brother sister. It will be like a brother undefined relationship. Suppose.
Yeah.
So can I?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Sir, if we know the gender of B, then we can say like if B is a male, then we can say B is the brother of C. We don't need C's gender there because
To
it's not.
find what is the relation between B and C. Relation between B and C is asking for relation with respect to B with respect to C or C with respect to B.
So then, yeah, in that case, though, both can be like any one is required, right?
Yes, sir. Anyone is required.
That's why. Okay, that too, this point is mentioned. That's why. Minimum information. Yeah, how to say minimum information? If we take all the statements, you can say the answer, but what minimum is required? Okay, A is the brother of B. A is a male and is the brother of B, and A is the brother of C as well. Means A, B, C are siblings. So from both the statements, we know only A's gender. We don't know B and C's gender. And to get the relation between B and C, what minimum data is required? So gender of C, if you know C's gender, we can say C is the brother of B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you know B's gender, we can say B is the brother of C. If you know both of them, we can say both their genders. But here, minimum information is you can take either this to say the relation, or you can take this also to say the relation. Then answer is option C, not D. Okay. If minimum is not there in the question, then we can go with option D also.
Yes, sir.
So then both will be right, right?
Then both will be correct.
Okay, sir.
In that case, no.
Yes, sir.
To get the relation between B and C, if minimum is not mentioned, option D only.
Sir, which maximum
Sir,
mention also option,
gender-
right?
Because we need
We need both the relation
Like
with
correct.
each other. With each
Yes.
other. Okay. One more question, and after doing this, we'll change the model. Seven members of a family consisting of 4 adults, 3 children, 2 of whom F and G are girls. Out of these 3, 2 persons are F and G, and they are girls. A and D are brothers. And here one more new thing is introduced. Their professions also introduced.
Sir, I guess the answer is D. A's son.
Okay, let us see.
Okay, sir, but sir, then it is a two-way question, sir.
Sorry?
I'm getting okay, sir. Yeah.
Here the question is, who is C? According
Okay,
to the
sir. Yeah,
options,
answer is A's son. A's son. A's son.
Okay,
For
okay.
me.
Let us see. Ananya, Harini.
Sir, A
Siddharth.
son. Sir, D.
A,
only. A is A's son.
A son means option D only. Okay.
yes, sir. A's son.
Okay. Okay, see.
Sir, it's option D itself.
Option
D itself.
Okay. Then there are 3 children. F and G are girls. F is a female and G is also a female. A and D are brothers. A is a doctor. A is a male, is a doctor, and is the brother of B. And B is also the brother of A.
So what
Next.
is doctor and engineer have to do here? So I don't understand.
Just thing.
Nothing is there.
Like this.
No, nowhere they are used. Doctor and engineer.
Like it's not necessary to find the like what is given in the question.
Okay, in some
Sir, is this
questions,
a-
in some questions there will be 7 persons with the 7 professions also.
Okay, okay, sir.
So then doctor is the son of some engineer, and engineer is the brother of some A. Like that statements he will give.
Okay, Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay, then if he is an engineer married to one of the brothers, one of the brothers means these two. Okay, and has two children. Then
So
B
the
is
options
married to D. B is married to D. D is a male or female now?
The female.
Female. And
Female, sir.
From
now,
here we can say
now
that
E is married to whom?
A, sir.
A. Okay, here I'm taking E is a female, is married to A, and A is a brother of B, and B is the husband of
D.
D. D is a female. Next is E is an engineer married to one of the brothers and has two children. So these two persons, A and B, are, sorry, A and E are having two children. We don't know who they are, but they have two children. Next, B is married to D. G is their children. G is a male or female? Already mentioned.
Female.
It's a female. And
Female.
there are three children. There are three children, and of them, F and G are girls. So means G is a girl and is the child of B, means F should be the child of A and E.
Yes,
And
sir.
who is that another person?
So C.
Because
That's
out
C.
of 7 members, 6 members information is known here, and the new the other person is C. C is a male or female?
Sir, male.
Male, because
Male,
it is
because-
two
Because F and G are
are
Yeah,
girls, one
out
is
of
male.
3 children,
One is boy.
2 are females, means the other is a male.
100% male.
Yes. That's all. This is the family chart. From this family chart, we have to answer. Who is C? C is G's brother? No. C is F's father? No.
No, sir.
C is E's father? No.
No, sir.
C is A's son?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. I think it's over. Oh, one more question. Okay. Let us do this or we'll change the model. Doing this?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
then proceed. Reva is the wife of Pranav. Question is, Vikas' wife related to Neela. How is Vikas' wife related to Neela?
Sir, data inadequate, I guess. So can you scroll it up a bit?
Sorry?
Sir, this is the full question.
Here the question is, how is Vikas' wife related to Neela?
Yes, sir. Like this is the whole information, right? From Mohan's.
That's all. This is the whole information.
So then I guess it is data inadequate.
Why? Which information is required? Genders.
Not no, sir. Like there's nowhere Neela is mentioned, sir. Plus, we don't know, right? How many members are there?
Nowhere Neela is
Sir,
mentioned.
Neela is, yeah, it's mentioned.
Where it is
Okay,
mentioned.
yeah, it is there.
Neela is there.
Arun Pranav is the father of Neela. Okay, sir.
Sir, I think it's data inadequate.
Why? Why Ananya?
Sir, one
Yes,
part.
sir. Gender.
Gender. You know the gender. How is Vikas' wife means
Sir,
wife is
one
a
second.
female.
No, sir. Okay, for Neela, yeah. Anish and Neela will, yeah, understood.
Is this the same for you, Ananya?
Sir, I'm still solving. Can you just give me a second?
Sister-in-law?
Sir,
Okay.
yes, sir, it's sister-in-law.
Okay. If completed, let me try. Yeah. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mohan is the son of Arun's father's sister. This is Arun. Arun's father is this one. Arun's father's sister is this one. And Mohan is the son of this one. Mohan is a male or female? Male. Okay.
Because it's
What is there in that chart? Okay, see. Prakash is the son of Reva. Prakash is a male or female? Male.
Prakash
And
is
the
male
son
because
of
One male.
Reva.
Reva.
Who means here? Here who represents?
Reva.
Yeah,
Reva.
second person, that is Reva, is a male. And
Sir, female, right?
sorry.
Sir, Reva is
Ah,
a
yes.
female.
Sorry. This is a female. 1 second. Because it is mother is a female. Who is means Reva is a mother, means female. Mother of whom? Vikas. So means, can I say Vikas is a sibling of P?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here and represent the same Reva. Okay.
Reva.
Okay, these points are already mentioned in the previous class, I think. And while, but these words represents first person. Who, whose, whom, which. These words represent
Second person.
second person. So second person and first person in the before statement. In the before statement, here who is replaced by Reva. Reva is the mother of V, means R is the first person and V is the second person. Here and represents R. So we can replace and by R. Now read the statement again. R is the grandmother of Arun.
Arun.
Okay, here there should be a full stop. R is the grandmother of Arun, means we cannot say that Arun is a child of whom? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Okay, that's why I'm taking here like this. R is the grandmother of A. We don't know the person here. Next is P is the father of Neela. P is the father. Yeah, P is the father of N. Neela is a male or female? We can't say. And means the same P is the grandfather of Mohan. So the same P is the grandfather of Mohan. P is a male and is the grandfather of, sorry, we don't know about this person. And here it should be Mohan. And we know already Mohan's gender. That's all. Next is Reva is a wife of Pranab. Sorry. Here Reva, how Reva will be? Okay. This is Pranab. Pranab,
Father of
something
yes,
done
sir.
mistake. Here Prakash is taken as P
So
as well as
Prakash and
Pranab.
Pranab.
Yeah, Pranab is also
Yes,
taken
sir.
as P only. That is a mistake here. Generally, I deal with the person name with the first letter only. If there is any matching condition, first letter is matching, I'll take second, third letters also. Let me take.
So we can take PK for Prakash and
PK,
PN
yeah,
for
PN for that one.
Pranab.
Here, this is PK. Pranab, sorry, Prakash is the son
Yes,
of
sir.
R. Prakash is the son of R.
Reva.
The next statement is Pranab is the father of Neela and grandfather of Mohan. This is Pranab, PN. And the same PN is the father of Neela also. Is the father of Neela. That's all. Now we have to mix up all these things. Okay.
Sir, the Pranab and the Neela part will go above Mohan, like because they are grandfather, right?
Yeah, once you see these two diagrams, because these two are cousins each other, can I say These two will be wife and husband.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? These two
Sir,
should
it's
be
already
cousins each
given
other.
that they're both of wife and husband.
Where it is given? Okay, that is also mentioned.
Yes.
Okay, right. Reva is the wife of Pranav. From that statement, we can start the diagram. Reva is a female and is the wife of Reva is a
Pranav.
female and is the wife of 1 second. PN is a male. Now see, R's children and P's children are not different children. Yes or no? Because these two are married couple, these two should be siblings each other. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
And who are those two persons? PK and V. Yes or no? Are you
Yes.
there?
Yes, sir. But
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Ananya.
Reva.
we don't know that PK or V is the father of Mohan or Arun, right?
We don't know. As of now, it is okay, right? PK is a PK and V are the children of R.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is this P?
Sir,
Pranav. Pranav is the father of Neela.
Neela.
So Pranav is the father of Neela also, as well as these two persons, and Neela is also sibling. Because Pranav should be the father.
Yes, sir.
Already Pranav is the father of these two, PK and V, and now PK is Pranav is the father of N also, Neela also. And now see, the male person's child is A and female person's child is M. But here genders are not declared. Okay, gender is declared from the question. Because gender is?
Sir, it is a male. Vikas is
Is a
male.
Okay. And
So
Come
Neela
The
is
sister-in-law only, right?
among these,
Because all of
Yes, sir.
there should be a female.
Sister-in-law, right, sir? This
N-
much
N-
data is enough.
N is a male or female?
female.
is a male or female?
Female.
Female.
Yes,
It's not
that's it.
declared.
Data. Yes. Up to now, data is enough because V's wife. How is V's wife related to Neela? Because
Yes,
V is
sir.
the brother of
Actually,
Neela, V's wife will be the sister-in-law.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Practice more number
Yeah,
of
can I Sir, could you repeat the last statement?
last statement. Okay. V is the brother of Neela. Neela's gender can be male or female. V is the brother of Neela. Yes or no?
Also,
How?
sir.
These three, all the three are siblings each other.
Yes, sir. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Because same
Yes,
pair
sir.
of parents means they are siblings each other. V is the brother of Neela means V's wife will be the sister-in-law of Neela.
Yes, sir.
How is V's wife related to Neela?
Sister-in-law.
Yeah. And next, last model, coded blood relations. Coded means what? Generally, coded means converting a known language into any
symbol.
unknown language. Here
Yes,
in this
sir.
topic, blood relations, the known language is this one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But unknown language is this one. Okay. So, but he is defining in the beginning only. What is the definition? P star Q means P is the father of Q. Anywhere in the further questions, anywhere, if I use a star, you have to consider it as father. That is what he is telling. And that too, first person is the father of second person. First person is the father of second person. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes
so
he
we did
may
one question
mention.
of this, right?
Yeah, sometimes he may mention
Sir,
P
isn't
star
that
Q means
abstract?
Q is the father of P also. Sometimes. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Should I
sir.
say the answer to the first one?
Sorry?
Shall I say the answer for the first one?
I need to repeat.
No, sir, I'm saying, should I say the answer for the first one in the expression? How is E related to it?
In the first statement, P star Q means P is the father of Q. Anywhere P star Q is there, your diagram should be like this.
No, sir, I'm
Sir,
saying that like down question is
answer.
there, right?
So the
All
question
these-
answer of the question number 1.
Okay, we didn't go to question yet. Okay, we are
Sir,
just seeing
that's
this
what I
data
said.
only. Okay.
Yes, sir, I got.
So, okay, P star Q means this one. Suppose if anywhere X star Y is given, then how we have to take this?
X is the father of Y.
Yeah, X is
Yeah.
the father
Yes,
of Y.
father.
Some suppose 1 star 2 is given, then
One is
Sir, are these real life
One
quotes
is the
or
father.
are these
Father of
thoughts you made up?
sorry, Anya, tell me. Somebody asked something.
Sir, are these real life quotes or are these just
No, real life,
you
these
made
are not
up?
real life codes. For this example
You
one,
just
I
made
have
these up. Okay, sir.
for this example one, I have used these symbols.
I
It
thought in
depends-
real life we use this.
it depends on the question. Okay, question to question, these things will vary. In this question, I declared star as the father, at the rate as the mother. Somewhere he may declare star as the mother and star as the sister also. Okay, we have to answer the question according to the information only. This is not standard information. This is not standard. Okay.
Sir, is the grandfather?
Okay, see. Actually, if this
Yes,
is
sir.
decoded, it is like previous questions only, previous model only. Yes or no? Like these questions only. Here individual statements are given. Here a single expression is given. If you decode that single expression, then answer will be ready. See, A star B means A is the
Father of B.
father of B. Next, B plus C means B is the
Sister of C.
sister of C. And C percentage D means C is the
Brother of D.
brother of
C is the brother of D. And D corporate E means D is the
Son.
son
son.
of E.
Sir, already D is the son of A. Then how will be D? D is the father. Sorry, son of E. How it is possible?
So E is
The
the
spouse, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Type
Then
of
if
E
you
is the
can make E is the spouse of A, then it will be possible.
yes, sir.
So that's all. This is the family chart for the given expression. So if we decode, it will
Sir,
be converted to data-based questions only.
Excuse
From
me,
this
sir.
statement, how is E related to
Sir, we
A?
can't code it, right?
Is the
Sir, he is the son of D, right?
sorry. P is
He
the son of Q
D,
means
right?
no. P is the son of Q. Here, D is the son of E. First person is the son of second person.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell.
So can I leave early? I have a class right now, only for today, sir.
Okay. Then we also have only one question remaining after this.
Okay, sir.
Your wish. Okay, see.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt
Thank you.
in
Bye,
this?
sir.
D corporate E. D is the son of E. Somebody raised this question. That's why.
Sir, E to E related to
Sir.
A means what, sir? What we can take?
That thing we'll see. Okay. How is E? Tell.
So that Q isn't the son of P, right? Q is the father of P, right?
How can you say father? Q can be mother also. Whatever mentioned, we have to take that one as a positive. Means that one as confidently. But nothing. If it is not mentioned, we cannot take it confidently. P is the son of Q. Q can be the father or mother of P.
Yeah, sir. So
There can be either.
Can be either, but here that is not required now. D is the
Yes,
son
sir,
of
because
E. D is the son of E means E can be the father or mother, but D is already the son of A, which is who is a male, but compulsory it should be a female only. Ania, got it?
yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
before this last statement, copy it E, before that, D is already child of A, but he is telling D is the son of E. How it is possible means if you can make A and E spouse each other, A and D married couple, then it will be possible. Because A's gender is already male, compulsory you should be a female. Okay. Now, how is E related to A? E is the
E is the wife of A.
wife of A. Yeah. And one more last question. Same type. Tell the answer for this using this information. Tomorrow we'll start a new topic.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Can you repeat that? What is E related to? Means just say the answer.
E.
Wife of-
E is the wife of A.
How? Okay, okay, understood.
From this diagram.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you scroll down? Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I think it's data inadequate.
Okay. Let me see. J is the, tell me.
Sister of K.
Sister of K. K is the
Son of L.
son of
Yeah.
L. L is the
Mother of
Mother.
Mother of
mother. L is already mother of K, but L is the mother of M means K and M are
K.
siblings each other.
Yes, sir.
But we don't know M's gender as of now. And the next statement is M is the
Mother.
mother of whom?
N.
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 So M is a female and N's gender is not declared from this statement, from this expression. But here the question is, how is N related to? If N is a male, yeah, it will get some relation, and if N is a female, we'll get another relation.
So like
Tell me, if
nephew
M is a
right?
male, N is a male, then relation will be N is
Nephew.
the nephew.
Sorry,
Very good. If N is a female, N will be the
Niece.
Niece.
niece. So answer for this question is either niece or nephew. Niece or nephew, but we cannot say what actually the relation between these two.
Yes, sir.
So according to the options, if it is not available, then we can go with option data inadequate.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
that's all about blood relations. Practice well. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Tell.
No, sir, I just want to copy the answers. That's why
Oh,
I.
Okay.
Thank you.
Completed.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye.